Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based on Adobe Illustrator and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you how you can create a palette very quickly within Adobe Illustrator. Just using a couple tools and a couple tricks, you can create a color palette very easily. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is start with our ellipse tool here, and I'm just going to press Shift to make sure it's proportionate, and Option on the Mac or Alt on Windows to resize from the center point, like so. Let's just make sure that's aligned nice there, and we're just going to take this across here like so by duplicating it by using the shortcut Option on Mac or Alt on Windows, click and drag with your mouse. And with this one here, what I'm now going to do is change the color. Now, like I said, I would like to create a palette using these two ellipses here. So with my selection tool, I'm just going to select everything. And then we're going to use our blend tool. Shortcut is the letter W. And now with the blend tool, I'm just going to simply click on the first orange ellipse and then click on the second blue ellipse. And as you can see now, I've blended these two ellipses together. But I want to create a palette. So I'm going to double click on the blend tool here, which will bring up your blend options. In the spacing option, what I need to do is make sure that I have the specify steps option selected. And as you can see, there are 244 steps, way too many. So I'm going to bring it down to about 3. And let's press OK. And as you can see now, we have created a color palette like so. And using the direct selection tool, you're able to manipulate either the original shapes to change the color. And as you can see, the palette will work in tangent with it like so. And they will you can redesign the palette very easily. And now let's say, for instance, I wanted to have this these 4, 5 ellipses spare for me to be able to move around. What you must do is make sure you have this selected. Go to Object and Expand and press OK. And then what you should do is right-click, Ungroup. And now you have these available for you to do as you please. And there you have it, guys. That's how you quickly create a palette within Adobe Illustrator. If you're interested in finding out more, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, please take a look at our social media accounts. There's some really interesting designs by very talented students on there. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.